This store sells this product using the dropshipping system, and last month, it managed to make around $37,000, which is a very good profitable product you can work with. He sells the product for around $96, while the product costs $53, thus allowing him to achieve a large profit margin. All of this is done through content creation, meaning he doesn't run ads, but rather creates content on TikTok daily, as you can see. He has the store link in the bio, so when people click on it, they are redirected to this page and they start purchasing the product. They were able to process more than 670 orders last month, and this is his best-selling product. So today, step by step, I'll teach you how to start dropshipping, build a professional store, and how to find a supplier so that you can import products into your online store and ship the product you're selling to your customers with ease. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, because I post profitable products daily and teach you how to start dropshipping. The first step is to register an account on Shopify through the link that I will leave in the video description, and you will get a free 3-day trial during which you can build your online store. You will enter your email here, then start the steps to create an online store on Shopify. We'll skip this step, and from here we can choose the country where we will sell the products. Here you can enter the email and password, and then we will start creating the online store. Within seconds it will take us to the Shopify dashboard, and here you'll find that the free trial has started, and also your first month on Shopify will only cost $1 instead of $39, so this is a very excellent offer that will save you a lot. But let me move on now to step number 2, which is finding a supplier from whom I can get the products and add them here to the online store. That supplier is Zendrop. The Zendrop app and website provide you with thousands of products. They also offer auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, and professional support. There is also a free plan here in the Zendrop app that you can easily start with. To install this app on the store, we will click Install, then click Install again, and now the Zendrop app is installed. To access Zendrop, we will click here on Apps. We will find Zendrop in this area. We will click on it, and here we will find the Zendrop interface. The advantage of Zendrop is that it has many categories that we can work with in dropshipping, and there are also many suppliers we can work with. Here we will start searching for the product name, and this is the product that the person sells. Its cost is around $53. We will click on this product to start viewing the details. If we scroll down, we will find here the variations, which are the different sizes and colors of the product. Here the product cost and the shipping cost will appear, and in this area the total cost of the product appears. Of course, these are different versions of the product. You'll find their prices high, but the versions that the person sells are the ones below, and you'll find their prices are very low and the shipping cost is low. Here we can choose the country we want to ship to, so the shipping cost varies according to the country. To add this product to the online store, we will click here on Add to My Products. We can go back and add any other product to the store easily by clicking Add to My Products. After you add the products you want to import to the store, click here on My Products, then click on Review and Publish. Here you can edit everything before publishing the product to the store. Here we can edit the product name, and here we can edit the product description in this area. Here we can edit and choose the variations of the product before publishing them to the store. Here we can adjust the selling price, and here the total profit will appear, which is the difference between the selling price and the product cost. Here we can choose the images we want to publish on the store easily. After you complete all these steps, click Publish to My Store, then click Confirm, and now the product is published in the store. If we go here to the online store, then click on Products, we will find the product in this area. We can click on this product to edit anything, whether it's the name, description, product images, or variations, and the product price. From here we can click on Preview to see how the product looks in the online store. As you can see, the product appearance is not professional like this design. So you'll find a video on the channel that explains how to create a professional online store on Shopify. But now let me go and place a test order to see if when the customer orders this product, the order will immediately appear on Zendrop and I can ship it to the customer or not. We will quickly order this product, and after the customer orders the product, it will obviously appear in the Orders section on Shopify. And also, if we refresh here on Zendrop, we will find that the product is here and we can now ship it to the customer. We will click on the order, and here we will find the product details and the product cost. Of course, the customer should have already paid for this order through the payment gateway that you linked to your online store. Then you come here and click Fulfill Order. Of course, here you will see the product cost and the shipping cost. And to add balance before shipping this product to the customer, you will come here and click here to add balance, whether through a bank card or PayPal. After that, you can ship this order to the customer. The advantage of Zendrop is that it provides you with 25 orders that you can ship under the free plan. And it also provides paid plans that allow you to do auto-fulfillment, which will save you from having to do it manually. We can click here on Upgrade and we'll find 2 plans in Zendrop. You can subscribe to a plan based on the features of each plan, and any of the plans will provide you with auto-fulfillment. After that, you will start creating an account on TikTok or Instagram and start adding the store link in the bio, and begin creating daily content for the product that you will start with in dropshipping. And that's it. This was our explanation today on how to start dropshipping with a profitable and very good product that you can easily begin with.